Hello, we are creating a meal prep app. It's wrapped from a GitHub project by ratracegrad. Here we look at how we create the navigation bar, the drawer, and the footer and the respective navigation buttons. To demonstrate, we have linked some click events to some of the buttons, and these will be turned off once the router link functionality is working as expected. For the app, we will use the edamame REST API. We are using B4X and Banano to create this project. A Vuetify wrap has been created called BANanoVuetify, that works with Banano. For each page in the app, we will create a component and add it as a router to the app, in the index module. We use code modules for this. We initialize some global states that we will use across the application. For the navbar, we add a hamburger button, a logo, some spacers, and navigation buttons. Code for the logo. Code for the title. Setting the color of the navbar. A spacer. Each of the buttons is linked to a router link method so that when selected, the respective page is opened. The menu button is separated from the other buttons with a spacer. This spacers have a visibility class and should be hidden on small devices, just like the hamburger menu. Some of the navbar buttons will have to show once a user is authenticated. We will control this with the vif directive. We assign a click event to the logout button, because we will run some code when that happens. For now we just show a snack bar when the logout button is clicked. Our footer is just simple, we have a Made with Love by feature. On the drawer, we add some links to navigate through the pages. These are shortcuts for the navbar buttons. The hamburger button only shows on small devices, and when that happens the navbar buttons are hidden. We are not adding any parent-child items on the drawer, so we just use a simple approach. For the drawer, we have a callback event. This receives the click event and from there we get the key of the clicked button, and show it on a snack bar. This is just to test the functionality of our app.